everyone. I'm Sarita Pangnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before I start the new letter sound, let's revise previous one. A, I makes the sound of long vowel A. Letter J, J. O, A makes the sound of long vowel O. Now it's time to start the fourth letter sound of fourth group, I, E. I, E is the diagram because two vowels make a single sound. I, E makes the sound of long vowel I, E. E, A makes the sound of long vowel I. When two vowels are walking, the first vowel is talking and other vowel is silent. So let's start with the short story. Clive has been invited to a party. His dad was a sailor in the navy and he has given Clive a hat from a ship. Clive wanted to dress up as a sailor like his dad and he wore a hat to the party. His mother made him a sailor's outfit. His father admired him and gave him a big hug. He said, if you are a sailor, then you have to learn how to salute and say I. Yes, the sound of diagram IE is I and the action of diagram I is I. Let's see how to write IE on red and blue line. IE makes the sound of long vowel I. IE makes the sound of first letter I. IE makes the sound of long vowel I. Listen the words corresponding to the pictures. What's this? Pie. P-I, pie. What's this? Flag. Is it related to letter sound of I? No. So we cross out the picture. What's this? Tie. I, tie. What's this? Fried. F-R-I-D, fried. Okay. Now blend the words. I tie. I tie. L-I-D, light. L-I-D, light. I-D, tight. I-D, tight. F-R-I-D, fried. F-R-I-D, fried. Let's sing a song. The captain said I. The captain said I. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said I. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Keep learning.